I'll be showing you step by step how to set up Facebook Messenger live chat using Pingme. If you don't have it already installed, head into the Shopify App Store and search for Pingme so you can follow along step by step. There is a completely free plan available, which is what we're going to be utilizing in this video. Once you open up Pingme for the first time, it's going to bring you into this onboarding sequence. The first step is going to select your template. I'll just leave it as a default here, as I like the Facebook Messenger logo in the bottom, and I'll click continue with this template. Then next is going to require you to log into Facebook by granting permission to your designated Facebook page. So click the login with Facebook button. You then want to go through the steps here, writing continue as yourself. Then you want to give access to the page that is relevant here. I'll use the Ecom Masterclass Facebook page. Hit next. You want to accept these permissions so it can go in and actually do its job. So hit done, as long as you're comfortable with those permissions, mind you. You want to hit OK, and that's going to create the link to your Facebook page. And once you can see your Facebook page here, go to complete. You should now be mostly done with the setup sequence. Let's just go through everything to ensure that the live chat is showing up. So we open up a preview of our page, and we can see in the bottom right here that it is working on our page using the theme we selected. If we hit chat via Facebook Messenger, it's going to open up the Facebook Messenger chat. We can hit start chat, continue as guests, and then we can start asking our questions. If it's not showing up for you, it might be because of the theme you're using, so you want to make sure that the app embed is enabled in Shopify's 2.0 themes. You can get there manually by opening up Online Store in the left hand side. And if we go down to customize, this will open up the theme editor. And to get access to the app embeds, let's go into the left hand side again and go to the bottom menu here called app embeds. And you want to make sure that it's enabled here. Blue will mean it is enabled. And if it's not, just toggle it on, then go hit save in the top right. If we reopen up Pingme again, let's go over some of the settings here. The first one is the dashboard, where we can get analytics on how many conversations there were and when these conversations started. We can go into the Facebook Messenger settings as well. So let's say we want to customize more of the appearance, change the notification icon, the theme color, the tab size, the widget position, the greeting message. You can say on mobile, just redirect to Messenger. I can have an auto display message. I can add custom CSS. There's also the ability to customize different behaviors, as always showing, whether you want it to be on desktop or mobile, or you want it to be on specific pages. You get quite a bit of customization here, along with just the basic templates. You can also connect your Instagram account here as well. So if you don't want to use just for Facebook Messenger, you can do so as well. Lastly, you do get the ability to customize what happens when a customer opens it up. They can see chat via Facebook Messenger, or they can also leave a message. You get customization on the subject text, the background color, as well as the greeting message here. And you can actually view these messages in the app as well. So it's gonna be a little extra besides Messenger if you want them to leave a message here rather than opening up a chat via Facebook Messenger if maybe you're offline. Before I go, I want to mention our sponsor, Profit Calc, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. It allows you to discover your true profit in just one click. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for in the top right to get real-time calculations along with a variety of different analytics. This information will allow you to make smarter business decisions as you have a complete understanding of your store. It's going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts as well as many cost of goods sold options. You can find it in the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and looking for this logo in the top left. There's also a link in the description below to access the app listing there. From there, you can get a 15-day free trial where you can test drive everything for yourself. So this is going to conclude the video here on how to set up Pingme. I went over the basic settings as well as the overall setup sequence. Overall, it's pretty standardized and it does make the process much easier. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. If you have questions, leave a comment as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.